use the spatula part of the clever tongs to get underneath the burger. You can use the sidewalls of your pan to help get underneath the burger. Next, grasp the burger with the tongs to secure it and carefully flip it over. When you are ready to serve, you can also remove some of the grease and fat by securing the burger and tilting it towards the edge of the pan. For delicate foods such as scrambled eggs, start by cooking on a stovetop pan. When you need to pick up or flip your eggs, apply some pressure to the tongs so that the spatula is slightly curved and slide the spatula underneath. Once on the spatula, secure them by squeezing the tongs and serve. For hard to pick up foods like bacon, you may want to use the clever tongs in a different way. Turn the clever tongs upside down and only use the tongs to pick up or flip your bacon. Clean the clever tongs by hand or in the top rack of your dishwasher. When washing by dishwasher, make sure that the clever tongs utensil is locked with the locking ring pulled out. When ready to store, squeeze the handles together and pull the locking ring. When storing, place the clever tongs with its hammock facing down.